Again, deep breath in and breath out. Join your legs together. Take dumbbell in your hand. If you don't have 1 kg dumbbell, you can take some water bottle or something. Join your legs together. Take hand over your head. Go for right leg Naukasana. Stay here for 3 count. Hold 1, 2 and 3. Back. Relax yourself. Whenever you are reaching to the posture, don't strain your neck. So try to look forward. Don't over strain your neck. Even if you're not able to lift your upper body so much, that is fine. Now go with left leg. Exhale up. Try to hold your breath. Hold this posture for 3, 2 and 1. Back. Right leg up. 3, 2, 1. Back. Left leg up. 3, 2, 1. Back. Exhale. Right leg up. 3, 2, 1. Back. Left leg up. 3, 2, 1. Back. Right leg up. 3, 2, 1. Back. Left leg up. 3, 2, 1. Back. Last 4. Right leg up. 3, 2, 1. Back. Left leg up. 3, 2, 1. Last 2. Right leg up. 3, 2, 1. Back. Left leg up. 3, 2, 1. Back. Relax. Take a deep breath in and out. Just try to move your stomach in nicely. Tight your core how much you can. Pull your navel toward your spine and then relax your stomach. Blow your stomach nicely with inhale. Again 2. Exhale. Move your stomach in. Proper Udyan Bandha. Exhale. Stomach out. Again. Inhale. Blow your stomach nicely. Exhale. Tight your stomach nicely. 2 more time. Inhale and exhale. Last time. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly take your dumbbell in your hand. Next movement is just lift your upper body up. Touch your dumbbell on your toes. You can take support and get up. While going back only you have to make resistance. Lift your hand up toward the sky and in 10 count go slowly back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again up, lift your upper body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Up. If you have difficulties to coming up, you can keep one bolster or one yoga mat under your lower back. It become easier for you. 1. Now slowly go back. 2. Lift your hand. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Move. 8, 9 and 10. Up. Last 4. 1. Lift your hand. 2. Very slowly. 3. Inch by inch move your body back. 4. Use your each and every muscle of your core. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Last 3. Up. 1, 2. Look up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Last 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last time. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slowly 7, more slow 8, 9 and 10. Again 5 times, blow your stomach nicely, and with exhale move your stomach in nicely inside. Again inhale, blow your stomach nicely. Exhale, move your stomach in. Again inhale, blow your stomach. Exhale. 2 more time. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale and exhale. One last movement here. Bend your knee. Take dumbbell in your hand. Exhale, lift your upper body up, touch your dumbbell on your knee, and inhale, slowly come back. Let's say start all together. If you're not able to get up, you can make your legs slightly wider, otherwise make your legs closer. Let's say start 1 and back. Here also we are going back in 3 count. 2 up, 1, 2, 3 back. So hold for 3 count and then go back. 2, 3, 2, 1 back. 3, 3, 2, 1 back. 4, 3, 2, 1 back. 4, 3, 2, 1 back. 5, 3, 2, 1 back. 6, 3, 2, 1 back. 7, 3, 2, 1 back. 8, 3, 2, 1 back. 9, 3, 2, 1 back. 10, 3, 2, 1 back. Last 5, 11, 3, 2, 1 back. 12, 3, 2, 1 back. 13, 3, 2, 1 back. 14, 3, 2, 1 back. And 15. 3, 2, 1 back. Lift this dumbbell over for your head. Grab your ankle or take your hand side. 10 times bridge pose for counter. Lift your pelvic up nicely. Exhale, drop your pelvic down. 2. Inhale, lift your pelvic up. Exhale, drop your pelvic down. 3. Inhale, lift your pelvic up. Exhale, down. 4. Exhale, down. 5. Down. 6. Down. 7. Down. 8. Down. 9. Down and 10. Hug your knee nicely. Roll on your mat. Do rolling here. After rolling, sit any cross leg position on your mat now. Take hand in chin mudra. Close your eyes.